Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is welcome to my channel. Today we would be doing 4-bit using 4-bit adder. We would be doing the addition function. And first of all, I've done a 4-bit addition function with using 4-bit adder. This is a 4-bit adder. You can simply go on toolbar, components bar, and type 4-bit adder, and you can get it over here. After this, I've used IC, which name is MM74C922. MM74C922. This is the only IC would be present of its kind, and we would be using keypads to work for the answer over here. Acha. Uh, we are using keypads to formulate the result of this. So I've already selected 4 over here and 3 over here so that I could get the answer. I've used BCT 7 segment display to display my result. And this I've taken an A3 size sheet and placed these IC over here. Now the output, the input terminals are placed like for the keypad. It's like D is connected with the last fourth Y4, Y3 is connected with C, and B is connected with Y2, and Y1 is connected with A. Then is X4 and Y1 is connected to interconnected with each other. Then then Y3 X3 is connected to 3, X2 is connected to X2, and X1 is connected to X1. So this would be formulated. This would be the circuit diagram. But then all these 4 are connected, are grounded, and these A inputs are A, B, C, D inputs are available. Outputs are available. These outputs of these outputs would be used as the inputs of these circuits. So the inputs would be given as these outputs would be given as the inputs of to this bind 4-bit adder. We would simply use that A, B, C, D as an output for A and B. A1 would be A, B, A2 would be B, A3 would be C, and AD would be a 4D of this first compiler. Then A1 of B1 would be A, B2 would be B, and B3 would be C, and BD. B4 would be D of this second compiler. The inputs will be coming. So first, when I pressed 3, then only then as focus over here, 2 inputs are not open, that is 1 and 2. Then 1 and 2 are open, that means if we go further like the one we have learned in our semester, like to how to find the which is the number of the letter, it would be 8421, and we have to take this in reminder that it is the 1100, and when we write to like in business in our language we would be writing 0011. We would the writing pattern is down to up, and in verbal it is counting, it is up to down. Then 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, then 3 is also produced over here. Then we have pressed 4 over here, so 4 is also pressing. So when we go closer to it, it's 15. C part is only open, so it is 1 2 4 and 8. So 4 is open, so we can also simulate over here that 4 is open. Then we would be given the input to this one. So B1 is open, B2 is open, as A and only B were opening. this for the second one, and only C was open in the first one, so only 3 is open. So this input when passes out, it would give 1110. That would be is equals to 7. That is 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 4 is equals to 7. As it does not has any carry, so carry is equals to 0 right now here. So this is our implemented addition circuit of adder. I hope you all could understand it. Jazakallah khair.